Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by readying both devices so pairing succeeds quickly. Put the Xbox controller into pairing mode by holding the Xbox button and the small sync button until the light blinks. This tells the controller to advertise itself. On the Legion Go, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and toggle it on so the device can scan. Once done, keep both devices close, under 1 meter, to reduce interference and make sure background apps aren't blocking Bluetooth permissions. Now focus on the actual connection step. In Legion Go's Bluetooth list, wait for Xbox Wireless Controller to appear. The name shows when the controller is discoverable. Tap that entry to start pairing and confirm any on-screen prompts immediately, because delays can time out the process. Make sure to accept or confirm any pairing dialog within about 30 seconds, and once connected, the controller LED will stop flashing. If you see a connected status, test a button press. To finish, open a game or a controller test app and confirm all sticks, triggers, and buttons register correctly. This verifies mapping and latency. If you need lower latency or more reliability, use a wired USB-C connection between the controller and Legion Go, or move Wi-Fi to a less crowded 2.4 GHz channel. If things fail, unpair and repair the controller, restart Bluetooth on the Legion Go, clear Bluetooth cache, and check for firmware updates on both devices. That's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.